Do you live or work in a noisy environment? iPhone can help. Hi guys, I'm Simon. This is Tech My Life video. It's Tuesday, so it's time for another tech tip. Now, if you're watching this video, you might not be aware that the iPhone can play background sounds. So this is to drown out kind of environmental noise that might be annoying to you and making it hard for you to sleep or hard for you to focus. So let's jump on the phone and check it out. So we'll open up settings and we'll scroll down to the third section. It starts with general and the fifth item down is accessibility. So click on accessibility. Again, we'll scroll down, third section, the title is hearing, and we'll click on audio visual. The second item down here is background sounds. So let's click on that. We've got a toggle to switch it on and off. We can select the sound, we can select the volume. We can select the volume when other media is playing, so you can even have the sound just continue playing underneath other media, and also a toggle there, if you want to click it off when you lock your phone. So let's switch it on, and we've got lovely stream sound playing. We can also switch it to rain. It's beautiful hearing rain sound on the roof. The ocean, some crashing waves. We've also got dark noise, bright noise and balanced noise, which is like a combination of the two. So we'll go back to the stream because that's much nicer. So we can switch that off, and we're going to do one more thing, which is if we back out of here, so we click back, click accessibility, go back again, and click settings to go back again. We're on the main page again, and underneath general there's control center. Click on that. We'll scroll down to the bottom. If you haven't already got this in your control center, it's down the bottom and it's called hearing. Click on that and it'll add it. And now if you swipe down from the top corner, you'll see the ear there, and you click on that. And from here, again, you can click the button at the bottom and you can switch it on. And you can also select the sound if you want and adjust the volume. So it's as easy as that. It's always there if you need it in Control Center. So there you go. I hope that's been helpful. I'm Simon, this has been Tech My Life video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.